We did have a dam system. It wasn't updated at all. It was slow. It didn't work in other time zones properly, and that was extremely important for us being a global company. No batch uploads, the filtering was limited. You would finish a project and you wouldn't want to upload it to the dam. Given that we were searching for a new dam provider, and the straw that broke the camel's back was GDPR actually. Being a global business, we needed to be compliant with that. It said, all right, we have to get rid of you, and Widen was the clear choice for that. In the past, someone would request an image or a logo. They'd email us, or they'd email their regional sales manager, which would get forwarded to us. We would then have to email them back. What do you want? JPEG, EPS, all these different questions of what type of file do they want. Now they can find it themselves. If they can't, that email comes in, we send the share link, they download what they specifically need. A process for an image or logo request would take 2 or 3 days, and if it was international in a different time zone, that would be even longer. Now they're finding it themselves, or that request takes, we need this, you send the link, they can choose exactly what they need. Every image that's on a website, it's not hosted by the website, but it's hosted by the dam and published out. Same with our literature, where we upload that InDesign file or PDF. The literature is published to our website from the dam, rather than uploading to all those separate places. We knew along the lines we needed to serve our distribution network in a better way. Portals was the obvious choice for that. We used that to supply our distribution partners with all of our product images, logos. We push that portal out to our extranet, which is the single source where our distributors go for all the various information they need. With Widen, they had a structured onboarding process. They had a coach, and we met every week or a couple times a week to make sure we planned properly. The support center has been great, and also the chat feature, just when you have a really quick question that you don't necessarily think you have to go to your customer support person, just to be able to message them with a quick question has been super helpful. We see we have 27,000 downloads only through a few months. That's amazing. That's telling us our distribution partners wanted those images or logo files to make other creative assets they needed. Also, it's nice to see we have users in South America, North America, Europe, Asia. This works as a platform across the globe for all of our international partners. I mean, I know there's other viable solutions out there because I tested them, but we went with Widen for a reason, and I'm 100% confident we went with Widen for the right reasons. You can really see when you make this investment, they're invested in you to enjoy it, to make sure it's the proper tool for you, and they want to make sure they're giving you success.
Widen, an Acquia company.